Hello student, most welcome to Dr. Acharya Academy. Previously with a number of class I discussed the unit number 3 of the chemistry class 11. This unit number 3 has been taken from the NCERT chemistry class 11 part 1 books. In this class, I will summarize the whole unit 3 so that you will get a brief of the whole chapter of unit 3, that means periodicity of elements. Today's class number is 063. In this unit number 3, you have studied the development of the periodic law and periodic table. Before Mendeleev's, there are some periodic table scientists invented to correlate the properties with elements. And after that, Mendeleev's periodic table was based on atomic mass. In modern periodic table, arrange the elements for further improvement in the order of their atomic numbers in 7 horizontal rows, that means 7 periods, and 18 vertical columns, that means 18 groups or families. Atomic numbers in a period are consecutive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like that. Whereas in a group, they increase in a pattern. That means hydrogen is 1 in the group number 1. The next lithium, whose atomic number is 3. And further down, in the same group number 1, the sodium, its atomic number 11. So, the atomic numbers from top to bottom in a particular group, it increases with a definite pattern. Elements of the same group have similar valence shell electronics configuration and therefore exhibit similar chemical properties. For the same group, the elements of the same period have incrementally increasing number of electrons from left to right and therefore have different valences. 4 types of elements can be recognized in a periodic table on the basis of their electronic configuration. What is these 4 types of elements? S block elements, P block elements, D block elements, and A block elements. S block and P block elements, we usually call these representative elements. Hydrogen with 1 electron in the 1s orbital occupies a unique position in the periodic table. Metals comprise more than 78% of the known elements. Non-metals, which are located at the top of the periodic table, are less than 20 in numbers. Elements which lie at the borderline between the metals and non-metals, as for example, silicon, germanium, arsenic, These are called metalloids or semi-metals. Metallic character increase with increasing atomic number in a group, whereas decrease from left to right in a period. The physical and chemical properties of elements vary periodically with their atomic numbers. Periodic trend. We discussed extensively in the previous class with respect to atomic size, that means atomic radius, ionic radius, ionization enthalpies, electron gain enthalpies, electronegativity, and valence or oxidation state. The atomic radius decrease when going from left to right in a period and increase with atomic number in a group. Ionization enthalpies generally increase across a period and decrease down a group. Electronegativity also shows a similar trend. Electron gain enthalpies in general become more negative across a period and less negative down a group. There is some periodicity in valence. For example, among representative elements I already discussed, you can go through that particular class. The valence is either equal to the number of electrons in the outermost orbitals or 8 minus the number. Chemical reactivity. Chemical reactivity is highest at the two extremes of a period. That means extreme left side and extreme right side, and is lowest in the center. The reactivity on the left extreme of a period is because of the ease of electron loss. It means whatever the elements, especially metal elements, it easily lose the electron to show its reactivity by forming a cation. Highly reactive elements do not occur in nature in free state. They usually occur in a combined form. Oxides formed of the elements on the left are basic and of the elements on the right are acidic in nature. Oxides of elements in the center are amphoteric or neutral. And this is the end of discussing the whole chapter, the unit number 3. I hope that you like this all class belonging to the unit number 3 for the chemistry class 11 book part number 1 from NCERT. Thank you so much for watching this class.